Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable offer to save password with Google Password Manager in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and press on privacy. Again scroll down. Here you can see autofill service from Google. Click on this. Now press on Google Password Manager. Here you can see the option of settings. Click on this. Now if you want to enable to save passwords with your Google Password Manager, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to enable save passwords with Google Password Manager in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.